Imagine a world where aging is no longer inevitable. A world where humans live not just longer, but potentially forever. It sounds like the stuff of science fiction, doesn't it? But what if I told you that this future might not be as far away as you think? For centuries, humanity has been obsessed with the idea of immortality. From the fountain of youth in ancient myths to alchemical quests for the philosopher's stone, the desire to cheat death is as old as civilization itself. But today, immortality isn't just a dream. It's becoming a scientific pursuit. Let's explore the groundbreaking research that could redefine what it means to be human. The first step toward understanding immortality lies in our very DNA. Every time our cells divide, the protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes, called telomeres, get shorter. Think of telomeres like the plastic tips on shoelaces. When they wear down, the laces unravel. Similarly, when telomeres shorten, our cells age and eventually stop functioning. But what if we could stop or even reverse this process? Scientists like Nobel laureate Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn have studied telomerase, an enzyme that can rebuild these caps. Could unlocking this mechanism allow us to slow down or even halt the aging process? Then there's the revolutionary work of Dr. Shinya Yamanaka, who discovered the Yamanaka factors, genes that can reprogram adult cells to a youthful embryonic state. Imagine a future where we could regenerate failing organs or reverse degenerative diseases entirely. And we can't forget the power of CRISPR, a groundbreaking gene editing tool. While it's already being used to correct genetic mutations, could it one day target the genes responsible for aging? This technology opens doors to possibilities we've only dreamed of, but it also raises profound ethical questions. What if immortality becomes a privilege only the wealthy can afford? Could it create a deeper divide in our society where the rich live forever and the poor are left behind? But the path to immortality might not lie in biology at all. Visionaries like Ray Kurzweil suggest that by mid-century, we could upload our consciousness into machines. Imagine existing in a digital form, free from the constraints of a physical body. While this concept is thrilling, it forces us to ask, if our consciousness is uploaded, are we still ourselves? What does it mean to be human when our bodies are no longer part of the equation? As we edge closer to these possibilities, we must also confront the broader implications. What would a world without death look like? Would it lead to overpopulation, environmental collapse, or a loss of meaning in life itself? After all, some philosophers argue that the inevitability of death is what gives life its urgency and purpose. Without it, would we lose our drive to create, to achieve, to connect? Yet the pursuit of immortality also resonates with ancient spiritual ideals. From reincarnation to the promise of eternal afterlife, many belief systems have grappled with the idea of eternity. Could the scientific quest for immortality coexist with spiritual perspectives, or would it challenge our deepest values? One thing is clear: the quest for immortality will continue to the push of the boundaries of science, ethics, and humanity itself. Whether or not we achieve it, this journey will redefine what it means to live and what it means to be human. Together, let's uncover the wisdom of the past, present, and future. If this exploration into the future of immortality intrigued you, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Wisdom Vibes for more thought-provoking insights.